Welcome back to my channel. We are going to look into some Igbo slangs and their English meanings. So, Igbos, they have many slangs. At times, all these slangs, they use it to make themselves happy, even if they are angry. Igbos and slangs are like 5 and 6, especially the younger ones. They use it to make themselves happy if they are unhappy. So let's start. The first one is Owu na Sam. Na Owu na Sam o. Owu na Sam. Owu na Sam guy. Owu na Sam guy. So Owu na Sam, it means I am broke. I am broke. Ya di anyị berukwa eberu o. Berukwa eberu. Nna beru eberu guy. When someone is telling you nna beru eberu, it means that you have to tread with caution. You have to tread with caution. Maybe there's something that you want to put mouth into. Person will tell you nna berukwa eberu, that you have to tread with caution. You should not, meaning that you should not enter deeply into the matter. Okay? You want to go somewhere. Instead of the person to tell you not to go, then the person will tell you nna berukwa eberu, meaning you have to tread with caution. If you are going there, you have to be careful. That is what it means. Another one is tinye na agbagharia. Obu ngetikwa gi na agbagharia. Ngetikwa gi na agbagharia, maọbụ tinye na agbagharia. Ya guy tinye na agbagharia. So all these slangs, you easily hear them in the park, in the motor park. You enter into motor parks, you easily hear them because it's where younger ones do use them. Okay? Na tinye na agbagharia. Tinye na agbagharia there. Ihe kwuru tinye na agbagharia there. One is telling you tinye na agbagharia. It means put him or her in a state of confusion. Put him or her in a state of confusion. Okay? Another one is nna di anyị agbakwara boot o. Agbakwara boot. The guy agbakwara boot. Nna agbakwara boot. Ma nna mgbakwara ya boot. When one said nna agbakwara boot, it means he or she ignored me. He or she ignored me. Nna agbakwara boot or nna agba ya boot, meaning ignore him or her.